Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create new document in Word using keyboard shortcut key. Let's get started. At first go to your start button. Then open the Word software. Now you can see here the opening window. You want to create new document using the shortcut key, press Ctrl N on your keyboard. Then we can see here the blank document. You can click this and open the document. Now we can see we create a blank document or new document using the keyboard shortcut key. You can write anything. Now I'm write some text. Then you can again create a blank document or new document. Press again Ctrl plus N. Then we can see we create a new document very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.